Hello traders, today I am going to start a market update video. So I am in the BTC USD futures chart. I am in the daily time frame. So we'll see how to analyze this chart. So we can see a falling parallel channel. So I am in the regular chart. So there is a falling parallel channel. Now you can see parallel channel is parallel channel was breakout, and that breakout is confirmed. So uh, not only parallel channel, we can mark the support and resistance area. So this area has a resistance area. You can see uh, some resistance area. Also there is a gap, therefore there is a, uh, little bit strong support area, strong resistance area. So now test this support area and break this support area and confirm market can be going higher move. So now you can see another parallel channel. So you can hear some noises because today is a rainy day and I am recording this video in the rainy time. So therefore apologize you. So we can mark the another parallel channel, this area to this area. So you can see there is confluence area resistance that can create a strong resistance, this area. Therefore market can be going downward move. So I'll show you another confirmation for you. We can apply RSI indicator. Then you can go to indicator section and search RSI. You can get the relative strength index RSI indicator. So when the apply this indicator, you can see a bearish divergence. So this area to this area and this area to this area, there is a divergence. I'll show you. There is some divergence. Therefore we have three confirmation for bearish scenario. So don't be panic. Market is going upward trend. So now market is extend. So I hope bearish immediate short term market can be going this middle area, parallel channel middle area or parallel channel lower area. So now bigger picture is this parallel channel breakout and breakout, and breakout is confirmed. That is a bullish scenario, but immediate short term, yeah, market can be reached this lower level or this middle area. So we have considered another pattern. You can see there is forming a huge bear flag. So if break out this parallel channel and confirm, we can see the huge bearish scenario. So that is can be, so 40,000 level market can be reached. So you can get my opinion and you can trade in the future. So this is a entertainment purpose, that is not a financial advice. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon and put the like button. So thank you very much, guys.